The Petitcodiac Watershed Alliance is a registered environmental charity that works to protect and restore the health and the ecological services of the watersheds that flow into the Shepody Bay in southeastern New Brunswick through science-based research, action, and public outreach. We are committed to engage people working together to ensure a healthy watershed for current and future generations. Our organization is celebrating 25 years, and our work has been impacting positively in the environmental sector. We are proud to be an influential leader among the watershed groups in New Brunswick. Our executive director is co-chair of the Provincial Watershed Caucus, and we have our own in-house lab where we process our samples and those of other water quality monitoring groups. We regularly share our methods and best practices with other groups, and we have a long list of partnerships through which we achieve our work and who we collaborate with to increase our impact and the quality of our projects. Also, our data sets are requested regularly by academia and various levels of government, and people from our community regularly request PWA's opinion on various environmental, land use, and other issues. The Petitcodiac Watershed Alliance has not only maintained our water quality monitoring program in the most densely populated area in the province since our inception, but has also grown to include a number of activities that improve the health of our watershed. Over the years, we started evaluating the presence of various flora and fauna, either at risk or invasive. We have been improving the aquatic habitats since 2014 by constructing and managing in-stream structures to restore aquatic connectivity and identifying and removing barriers to fish passage. This year, we started a new project on native seeds propagation and education on their benefits to people and the environment, the first project on this subject in New Brunswick. We understand the importance of writing well, and our EP staff improved their knowledge on technical writing after taking the Technical Writing Essentials training. We use these skills to report to our funders like Eco-Canada. The PWA strongly believes that people play valuable roles within an organization. This is why we are glad to have EP members in our staff that met the needs of our organization and were trained by Eco-Canada program. We are certain that we are also contributing to the Canadian environmental workforce, and we will continue to promote environmental awareness to protect and restore the ecological services within our watershed.